And we are back just how we ended.
Yeah, so we just did a valve cover on this guy. We did spark plugs, just getting it all ready to go. Customer's gonna be taking them to Florida tonight. So we gotta get them good to go.
Cheese! That's what you're working on inside there as you pick your boogers?
There's a customer there.
This is a rock bearing? Yeah. Wiped out completely. I took it out just in time.
What is this?
It's a nitrogen tank.
Ladies and gentlemen, we can't take this man seriously. So guys, this is Brad's genius here. He's replacing a shifter cable here on this Mini, and you're supposed to remove the exhaust and the heat shield and all that, but he found a way to sneak his fingers up in there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's actually the shifter linkage underneath the shifter right there. What a guy!
Scuba diver! Can you believe it?
Believe what?
That you can flip these things upside down and they'll be fine.
Oh, this thing was flipped upside down?
No. We flip them upside down all the time.
Oh.
Every 5 minutes you try a new trick and you flip it. The Sea-Doo Spark, they're the first ones to come up with this full polymer
Body?
body.
So it's plastic.
Yeah, oh yeah. Full, top to bottom.
Yeah.
And the top is fully detachable. The first one they made in 2014 or maybe even earlier than that. It was $4,500
Oh wow.
for a brand new Sea-Doo. Over the year now, the cheapest one is like 12 grand. Come. Sit down. I mean, kneel. Look with me. How does that look?
That looks pretty mean.
How does that look?
That's a lot of boost there, man.
Oh. We just bought a new ignition system. So we got all the bracketry for the fuel pumps.
Nice.
Actually, we need a whole separate circuit just to power those fuel pumps.
Oh
So
wow.
to buy, we're gonna install a new relay kit. Have you seen the superchargers that come in the factory, like Mini Coopers or like S4?
Oh, they're tiny. They're a joke. Yeah.
You literally put your whole fist in there.
Yeah,
I
it's
mean, the
wild.
customer saw it for the first time and he was
Impressed?
like this.
Just sitting on the ground. And the Mini is about to get out of here.
Oh, here's another one.
Here comes the worst one.
Oh, here comes the...
Hi guys.
You can sit down because it's clean enough.
Yeah.
Now
okay.
if you keep walking like that. What's up?
Originally,
Yeah.
so the nut right here
Yeah.
was just free spinning.
Yeah. Okay, we'll send it to me.
They'll do it all.
You'll do it all. Oh, we sliding, baby.
Okay guys, so that wraps up for today. Today is over.